everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I did a new release sneak peek, but I'm gonna try and get these done on Wednesdays instead of Thursdays so that I can just tease you guys a little longer. I guess that's terrible, so maybe I'll just keep them Thursday. I don't know, we'll see. Anywho, I want to show you some of the new things coming to the shop tomorrow, and I'll put these aside because I'm really excited about them, so I'm gonna leave them for last. And this one right here is a St. Patrick's coffee tray because, well, I love making coffee trays. You guys know that. And obviously St. Patrick's needed its own, so we're gonna have this sticker sheet along with this die cut available. And then we have these two flat lay stickers, which I have a whole list of them planned because an amazing customer gave me so many suggestions, and but these are the ones that I got done for tomorrow's release. I kind of focused a little bit more on kits. So this is because I'm obsessed with acai bowls, and then this one I just felt like we needed a little pet care one, especially with Bean. We've been trying to take her more on walks, so this is a great way to keep track of that. And these are so cute. Okay, what else? That's it for those. And then I have two new kits, which we're doing something a little bit different, I guess kind of similar to the Valentine's kit, but there's not just like star and sparkle foil everywhere. It's very intentional. So the first kit is this lavender one. It's very much inspired by the Provence region in France because we are planning a trip in the fall to visit the south of France and go just, I don't know, I fell in love with lavender fields and the little towns, and so after that I found this art and I'm like, it's meant to be, like I gotta do this. So you can tell there's definitely foil. This one's silver and it's just in certain places, so around the bike wheel, the little frame here, the bow, like there's very like few places where it's at, but it makes sense where it is. And then a big change that we have in our, maybe it's not that big because not a lot of people buy this sheet unless they buy the entire kit, but this is no longer going to be foiled. So it is going to go down in price to the $325, I believe. But yeah, the checklist is not going to be foiled here. It just makes it a little bit easier to print this sheet and then have more in stock. And then this one is still going to be foiled, but there is another change to it. Instead of adding the pictures here into the washi, we're going to do glitter washi down because I feel like this is going to be used a lot more than the actual like full boxes kind of shrunk into washi itself. And so, and it does have foil. I'm trying to get the light to hit it, but it does have foil on it. So it's going to be glitter and it's going to shimmer and it's going to look so cute. And then these two sheets are pretty much the same. And then our second kit, also going with that same minimal, very intentional foil feel, is this St. Patrick's one. I felt like I needed a more lively and one that is a little more our style lately, which has been very doodly. And so this is the one that I put together. And again, it has foil in very few places, but it makes sense. So we got little clovers. Is that how you, 4-leaf? Well, I guess, I don't know. Would these be 3-leaf clovers? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, you have those here. And then this full box does have little dots in foil. And then the little rainbow here, the Lucky Charms. And I think that's it for foil here. And then again, this one is no longer going to be foiled, but this one is. And look how pretty that looks. Like I thought these little clovers here looked so cute in foil. Oh my gosh. She hears a truck outside and just has to attack. And then the last two pages are these right here. Made this weekend banner into the glitter foil, what am I saying? The glitter pattern, and I really like how that looks. So yeah, that is the other kit here. So we have this Lucky Charms kit, we have this Lavender Provence kit, And then we have the flat lays, St. Patrick's, and little die cut. But wait, we got a really cute freebie going in all orders tomorrow. Look at this. Look at this die cut. It is so cute. Obviously, it's another coffee tray. And it is How to Train Your Dragon, because the new movie comes out, I want to say at the end of February, like February 20 something. And so, yeah, we doodled this today, and I just thought I would do it as a freebie on all orders that are $10 or more. And I've been getting some requests to do kits and stickers and make this available for purchase, so keep an eye out on that, or for that. And one more thing, because I forgot to show this in Instagram and Facebook and everything, which I probably will, but I figured I would just show you here. These are the 4 postcards that are also going out in all orders. So we have This Will Be a Good Year with Little Bean. We have a St. Patrick's one. We have a Valentine's one. And then the little panda with the macaroons. That's sweet stuff. So we just randomly throw these in with orders. And okay, now I think that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you soon for another video. Hopefully, I think so. Bye!